Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade with Fidelity. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account, which is a straightforward process. You can fund it with a minimum deposit, often around $0 for many accounts. Then, familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. It's designed for ease of use, but knowing where to find key features will save you time. We'll cover how to set up your profile and access essential trading resources. Once your account is ready, placing a trade is simple. Use the search bar to find the specific investment you're interested in, whether it's a stock, an ETF, or a mutual fund. You'll then decide on your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Always double-check all the details, including the quantity and price, before confirming your trade. Fidelity offers robust tools for more in-depth analysis. Explore advanced charting features to perform technical analysis on your chosen investments, helping you identify trends and patterns. You can also access a wealth of research reports and analyst ratings to inform your decisions. Don't forget to set up custom alerts for price changes or breaking news, ensuring you stay informed about your portfolio. Effectively managing your portfolio is key to long-term success. Regularly review your performance with Fidelity's detailed reporting tools to understand your returns and holdings. Consider rebalancing your asset allocation periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This helps keep your investment strategy on track. And for more great resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.